Imagine sleeping at Sunday night without having to worry about waking up on a fixed time on Monday. Imagine going to a vacation without giving a second thought about getting a leave. This is financial freedom. In this video, we'll explore how financial freedom works and discuss some of the different ways you can achieve it. We'll also talk about the importance of building wealth and discuss some tips for doing so. Keep watching the video till the end if you are on your journey to get financially independent. Before searching out ways to achieve financial freedom, it is important to understand this term first. What exactly is financial freedom? Financial freedom is the freedom of time, space, and money. It is the state of having enough money to cover your living expenses for the rest of your life without having to work or rely on others. One can achieve financial freedom at any age by saving and investing money wisely. Now let's go over some of the basic formulas that help control your finances and give you the best chances for success.